Well, I think that all of the changes we're seeing will be positive ones in the sense that manufacturing will give us more tools to be more efficient, more toys to help us enjoy ourselves. And I think about some of the issues like the Internet of Things, having devices that can talk to one another and communicate with one another. That will make things more efficient, make things smarter. That's going to be a huge change. We're already starting to see some of the effects of that. Artificial intelligence, I think that is going to already starting to have a big impact on our lives, and we're really just at the very beginning for both of these things, for the Internet of Things and for artificial intelligence. And I think those two things are going to drive a lot of the changes we see. If you look at connected cars, that is something that we've talked about previously in the context of GMIS. That is going to, I think, change everyone's lives dramatically in the coming 10 to 20 years in many ways, in terms of making driving safer, in terms of possibly ending the idea of traditional car ownership, where today you order an Uber, or in Dubai you might order a Kareem, and that may be the future. And of course there'll be some downsides to this as well, because automation will displace a lot of jobs, and so it's going to require some re-education and some retooling to find new ways to be productive. But hopefully all of it is on the whole a positive, and I think that with some of the new technologies we're seeing, the future looks very promising in that regard.